on me. Diamond stack.
What's going on, YouTube? So we're back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I've been really busy. As you can see, I have hair on my face, but as of at this moment, since the COVID-19, they have pretty much everybody, quarantined and off of work. Well, I'm not really off work, but since I'm in the military, they have me working from home, which is crazy. Never thought I'd see the day where a military personnel will work from home. But yes, I work from home. So if you don't believe me, take a look at this next clip. Yes, they have me working from home. This is my military ID. This is my military computer. Have me working from home. This is my emails. As you can see up top, federal voting assistance. So have me working from home. But enough of that. Oh, like I just showed you guys, yes, it's true. They have military personnel working from home. But so in this video, we're going to be talking about a pre-filter. What is a pre-filter? A pre-filter is pretty much like a little cover that goes over your air intake on your car. So the reason why I ordered this pre-filter is because, I don't know if you guys see my last video, I have a new hood, the IROC Z hood. So pretty much with that hood, it's an awesome hood. One of the most aggressive hoods that I've ever seen on a 2016 through 2018 Camaro. So with that being said, the hood has vents in it. And when it rains, or let's say you go to the car wash, which I took my car to the car wash about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And yeah, that was a pretty bad idea. So I took it to the car wash, not the one with the brushes, the one without the brushes. And pretty much after I got out of there, I lifted my hood up and there was water everywhere. So I contacted the guy who I ordered the hood from, and he was like, I said, what do you do like far as raining or like, as far as when it rains? Guess what he told me? Drive faster. Okay, so if I drive faster and get a ticket, you're gonna pay for it? Yeah, didn't think so. So I contacted one of my other guys. He has the same exact hood. So he told me get a pre-filter. And I asked him, what is that? He showed me what it was, sent me to the website, so I ordered it. And I just received it in the mail today. Came in this little package. So I ordered it from Filterware. I'll leave a link in the description below to where I ordered it and the exact one that I ordered. So the one that I ordered is blue. So let's get to the unboxing without further ado, and let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. Filterware. And then it says you can follow them on Instagram at Filterware. So pretty much this is what it is. As my boy would say it, a condom for your air intake. So you just put it over your air intake. So without further ado, let's head downstairs and let's get the thing put on. So let's head downstairs and go get this filter put on. Filter cover put on. All right, there she is. Let's get a cold start for you guys. Yes, sir. All right. So let's pop the hood and get this thing going. And another thing, since we're here, guys, I've ordered some Dyna floor mats. Well, they're not called Dyna floor mats. The place I ordered them from, they're called luxury mats. So those should be in shortly. And I'll have a video of those getting installed. If you guys haven't seen my interior yet, check it out with the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber there. Hold on, let me get this light because you guys, well, let me open the garage so you guys can see. Here's a few of my little trophies that I've won throughout the little year since I've been here in Kansas City. Camaro Fest, I won second place here. I think I won second place here, but this is a plaque. This is the actual second place trophy here. And then I won these two. Yes, sir, little accolades. So now let's see if you guys can see the interior better. A little better. So carbon fiber there, there. Down there, steering wheel, you know, up there, carbon fiber everywhere. All right, now, so let's get this hood popped. So this is the hood that I ordered. If you guys haven't watched my last video, as I was stating upstairs, you see these vents right here? The air intake is pretty much right here. So when I took it to the car wash, there was water everywhere, inside of here and there, everywhere. So give me a second, let me pop this bad boy. So as I was saying, when I took it to the car wash, there was water everywhere. On the air intake, fuse box I'm not really too worried about because I spoke to a gentleman and he told me GM made this fuse box to withhold or withstand all the water. So here we are. So without further ado, let's put this thing on. Let me prop the phone up so you guys can see. We'll get this thing on. We'll get it going. All right, so here we go. It should be real simple. Slide it over. It's tight up in there. Okay. Now to get the underside. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I can feel it. It's not all the way on yet. But since you can't see down there what you're doing, it's kind of hard. All right, I think we got it. Oh, I heard the click. There we go. Now we got it. It's all the way on. So, here it is. Filter wear. You know, it looks pretty good. So now I'll be ready for whenever I take the car out and it's raining, like today. It's trying to rain, or it's been raining on and off. So like, let's say I take the car out today, you know. So when it rains, the water will come through. It'll hit that and just bounce right off. So what I was saying, so when it rains, the water will bounce off the pre-filter and just drip right down, because the pre-filter is waterproof. I forgot to mention that. So that would have made sense to mention in the beginning, but yes, as I just stated, this is waterproof. I hit the company up online, and they said, and it has on there, it's advertised as waterproof. Matter of fact, we can do a quick test. Give me just a second. I'm gonna run and grab some water, and we're gonna test it out if it's waterproof or not. And we're back. Have the water. Now let's test it out. Look at that, and it's waterproof as advertised. So if I had to rate this thing, hey, that's 5 out of 5 right there. It said waterproof. Just saw the water, and it dripped right off, ran right off. So yes, this is what I needed. Thank you, filter wear. So, I mean, you also don't have to buy this just for like water. You can buy it if you're just trying to add some style to your car. You know, and the reason I bought blue is because, as you've seen in the inside, I have blue in the inside. My theme of the Camaro for the inside will be carbon fiber and blue. And so for here, I'm gonna do a blue and carbon fiber as well. Man, I'm giving away my my mods list already. So after I finish doing the exterior of the Berserker, I'm gonna start doing the engine mods as far as headers and all that other good stuff, you know. So it's coming. Trust me. I'm not just styling my Camaro without adding performance parts, because trust me, it's coming. I'm just trying to get my exterior done, and then after that, then I'm going to dive into the engine. So as you can see right here, this is my ZL1, the factory ZL1, not the 1LE. This is the regular factory ZL1 spoiler right here. And I just ordered my my new wicker bill as well. So as you can see, this right here is my stock SS spoiler. This is a stock ZL1 spoiler. It's the same color black, but it's gloss black. So that spoiler will stick out probably about this much more from the car. And then the wicker bill on top of that will droop down a little bit to about right here. And it'll be a little higher and a little wider. It's going to look amazing, I'm telling you guys. And then after that, I'm probably going to get new tires, because I hate these fucking tires. Excuse my French. Everyone who sees these tires, they think they're 305s. In all honesty, I don't know if you guys can see this here. This is 275 40 20. That's why it's so meaty, which I don't like. I'm going to go with 305s in the back, 305 30 20s in the back. And then for the front, I'm going to push 275 30 20. I don't want to go 285 because I don't really need all that. 275 should be great. Just as I was telling you, it's raining. And I'm not going to be taking the Berserker out in this. Just watch this thing and detail the engine a little bit. So I'm definitely not taking this thing out today. But back to the story. This looks pretty good. I like it. I really like it. Hey, hit me down in the comment section and tell me what you guys think of this filter wears pre-filter, or AKA the condom for the air filter, the air intake. Let me know down below what you guys think of this. And also let me know down below what other mods do you think I should get for the Camaro, for the Berserker. This is another new attachment that I had added onto the vehicle. It's a roof spoiler. I got this from Spoiler Kings. I'll put the link in the description down below for this. The reason why I got this is because, look, it matches the wicker bill. It matches the wicker bill perfectly. And if you're looking from this angle, man, that looks awesome. That looks awesome. But yeah, that's the pre-filter. So I would have to give that a 5 out of 5, you know. So we're going to end the video off here. If you like what you saw, give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe, give me good feedback, bad feedback. Any feedback is good feedback. And that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.